good morning, Janet here, and we'll be discussing how to use OBS screen recording. So this one, in case that you've been struggling how to use Zoom, since Zoom has already a time limit, like 40 minutes recording time, you can have OBS rather than you could use other applications like Google Meet. Then you could use this one for recording. Since you are not using the good suite, you could be able to start recording using OBS. So where did I get this one, or where did I download this OBS? So I got this from obsproject.com, and this is, by the way, this is an open source, and OBS stands for Open Broadcasters Software. So here we got here three options. It could be for Windows, it could be for Mac, and it could be used by Linux Windows. So I will be using Windows. Since I've been using Windows right now, then click on Windows, then this automatically download the exe file. Then you follow the way on how we're going to install it. Then here, once you have installed, like my screen, so this will prompt on your screen, and we got here the scenes. Sorry, we have dogs at home. So we got here the scenes, and you have to add what you intend to use, or what you intend to use. So the following are so far that you would like to be adding on your recording. So I added display capture to display my screen. So this is just like for meetings. You could be able to record what is going on the meeting room, and audio capture, window capture, and what you have here on my screen, this is my display or video capture. So this could be enlarged, okay, or you could customize it if you would like to put it as you demonstrate. Then here we have here start recording. Click on the start recording, and also you can have here start the streaming if you have you're into online games, and you could use this one. And for the settings, I'm gonna click on here, and here on the, sorry, we have those again marking. And the output, I got to choose here MKV format, so that it could be available in a format that is available for YouTube. Then the recording path would be here. So from C, user, my folder, and the videos folder, or other way around, and you click OK. So by the way, for the settings, you could be able to set it on what option you would like to use. So here, since I'm recording, this one is automatically disabled because I'm currently recording right now. So you could be able to adjust it once you done with recording, or prior, before you set up. Okay, so they click on apply and OK. Then here, if you would like to open, you simply click on show recordings. Then it will go to the path that where the videos are stored. Then you can see it here. So in my display, you can see it from my C, from this PC, from C, then from my folder, then videos. Then here, the good thing we have here, the OBS, is this is free whatsoever. It has here an option that you could be able to pause or continue recording. Since earlier that we have a barking dogs here, I tend to turn off, or I tend to uh, pause rather the video to be able to cut the barking of the dogs. So click on, then you could be able to stop recording. Then again, if you're going to open, go to file, then show recording, or other way around, you could go to your C drive. On C drive, look for users. Since this is the path, then this is my name, and go to videos. Then you can see the video there. So let's start recording. To be able to check our video, then click on stop. Enabling the display like what we have here on screen is you could disable or remove the view video. So it can be removed there. And we're going to add, this one is for the stop recording, and this one is for the pause, and this one is for the setting. So I haven't I demonstrated it earlier that it was not visible because the display where I'm talking to you guys is put on this area. So I've been recording it again to be able to show to you guys that this is the stop recording and the pause and for the setting. So